It's been a long and interesting life. The fact that you can handle as big organization as you have is amazing to me. You know, it's so tough to get things like this, by heavens. Here I am now at age 99, waiting for 100 to hit me on the back of the neck. Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. See, I'm an old man, very old.
Hi.
Emma, that was my grandma's name. Is it Bobby?
Bobby.
And I see you have the same trouble I have. See that? All we want for Christmas are our two front teeth, right? You can speak up, can't you?
Yeah.
You have a good voice.
Yeah.
Whoa. You are in what grade?
First.
First grade. You're the beginning of a long haul. What is your favorite tree?
A beech tree. My favorite trees are the big ones. An oak.
Oak. You like oak? Well, you know there are about 50 different kinds of oak trees. 50 of them.
Do you have a favorite tree?
Tree? Oh, tree. No, I love them all.
What was the most dangerous thing you've done in your life?
I'm sort of coasting along now, but I used to be a forester. Most dangerous thing? Wow, that's a tough one. I guess watch out for falling limbs.
What did you do with your friends when you were a kid?
The thing that I really loved all my life, which is trees. So yes, I was outdoors a lot. That's what I love to do. How do you play? What do you do?
I play soccer. So what I like to do for fun is just play around outside. What was the happiest thing in your life?
The happiest thing?
Yeah.
Gee, I don't know. I guess maybe my family. If you're any good at your job, you get sent to the front office. And there you're stuck in a little bitty old room that you wish you were back out in the woods. The only trouble with children is that they grow up and the first thing you know, they get married and they move out.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ava, good life.
I'm just getting oil. Bye-bye.
Emma.